What's up, guys? Today we're going to fix a nuisance issue on my truck that I've been dealing with since the end of last winter, where the heated seat for the bottom cushion on the driver's side was getting more difficult to turn on and off, and now it's to the point it doesn't function at all. So we're going to try tackling that today and pulling this door skin off. If I push the button for the top, the back cushion, you see that it lights up no problem. It works just fine. If I push the one for the bottom, see, it doesn't light up at all. Sometimes if I keep messing around with it, sometimes I can get it to come on, but then it actually won't turn off. Got a little small screwdriver. Pop that cover off. Then I'm going to undo this 10 mil. Now using the same small screwdriver, I'm going to try to pop this little plastic piece off here. And that should expose, yeah, there's 2 more 10 mils in there. I don't know if I took that off right, but it pry up from the bottom and then it just releases it and you can pull it right off. And I'm sure they make a tool to do this if I wanted to go out and buy it, but I'm just going to use a putty knife. If you're trying to tackle this yourself, albeit this isn't a DIY or a how-to video, but it starts right about here, these clips, and they go all the way around to about the same point on the other side. And I should be able to lift this off now. Alright, now that I got the door skin lifted up and off the door itself, let me show you the 2 fasteners that hold that switch in. So this is the back of that heated seat switch right there. So there's 1, and it looks like 2 right there. I don't believe there's anything on the bottom. So I'm going to pull those 2 out. Let's see if we can find ourselves a replacement. That did not want to come out, even after I took out those 2 screws, until I took this piece of trim off. And it's just got tabs that lock it in place here. Once I popped that out, this switch fell right out. We got our new part, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in. I actually took this old one, and I took it apart, split this in half, and I managed to get it working again. I really don't know what was wrong with it. I think a contact in there was just stuck. But rather than put this thing back together and risk having a problem again in the future, I just decided to replace it. So let me show you when we're done. Okay, we are done. We have a warm ass again. This wasn't bad putting it back together. Had one little battle scar here from when I took the panel off, but considering what I saved not going to the dealer, I'm sure it was well worth it.